Hey, I'm Dennis Driesen with Autowash, and we're here today to talk about Superior Shine and Stamina and how you can get paid to share these products. And what we're going to do is we're going to have my wife, Erin, and our master detailer, Sarah, are going to talk about some tips and tricks on how to apply the products, how to use them, and what's the features, advantages, and benefits of some of these. But most importantly, they're going to show you towards the end of our show here is where you can get the products and how you can actually get paid to share these products and become an Autowash advocate. So we got started into detailing, and people ask us all the time how we got started with products and why did we decide to go that route. And really, we started off with car washes, and we were able to do pretty well with those. And what happened was our neighbor decided that he was going to stain his fence, and at this point, we had no idea what detailing was, and we couldn't figure out how to get the stain off of our vehicle when he oversprayed his fence. And so we had a chance encounter with a detailer and learned a couple of things, and it kicked off a light for Erin and I, and we said, you know what, I bet there's a lot more we don't know. And so we set out to find products, opened up our detail shop here at the Autowash showroom, and when we did that, we got frustrated with how many products were out there and what was going on, and we couldn't really find the products that we needed. Our guys were struggling, they weren't really getting great results. And so we reached out to a bunch of chemists and blenders and found out how to get the best products. And now we're taking those best products that we've tried and tested in our detail shop out to you. And these are two of them today with Superior Shine and Stamina. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Erin and Sarah show you guys how to use these products and some of the tips and tricks with them.
Hi, I'm Erin Driesen, owner of Autowash. I'm here with Sarah, Mermaid Detailer. As Dennis introduced earlier, we are going to show you how to use our two new products here, Superior Shine and Stamina, as well as some little tips and tricks and ways to really get the best out of them. So Sarah is going to start with Superior Shine for us. Note to the color coordinated label and towel, trying to make sure that we keep things nice and simple and easy to use for any level of people working on their vehicles.
And this towel's pretty plush too, so this will do good with picking up any excess dust or anything like that that may still be left on the vehicle. This spray is super, super awesome for after whether you just did a basic detail wash or you did a full paint correction, you're going out for the Sunday drive, you're at a car show or a Cars and Coffee event, which we do have coming up pretty soon, so we're super excited about that. Yep. So first we went ahead and we did a complete clean on this hood, did a decontamination very lightly with an essential eraser, buffed off any remnants with a orange, again, color coordinated towel, very plush, again, picks up any dirt, dust, any traction very, very well. So let me get this out of the way. So as you're going, you just simply mist like so. Oop. And then we're going to go up and down. Very light pressure. You don't really want to, use your muscles or anything. Just go ahead and gently run the towel. Then you flip it, of course. Go the opposite direction, just in case anything got missed. Again, very, very light motions.
So Superior Shine is a polymer-infused detail spray. It will last about 2 to 3 weeks on its own in one application, but because of its chemical makeup, you can use this product kind of whenever you'd like to just keep it shiny, keep it protected, protect against UV and whatnot. Part of this family product line that we have in our purple products is our Stamina. Stamina is actually a true silicon dioxide infused spray. It is silicon dioxide like all professional ceramic coatings. It will flash upon contact. We wouldn't usually put it over a speed wax, but today for demo purposes, we're going to show you how it works. Using, again, the same purple towel, this applicator will allow us to spread it around or level it out for a proper application before we buff it off. So we're just going to spray it onto the vehicle. And when we level it out, it's super, super light, just trying to make sure we get it evenly coated where we're trying to place the ceramic. And again, hashtags are not just for Instagram. Here it is that we're making sure that we get it everywhere in this one 2 foot by 2 foot section. Now, ceramic coatings flashing means that it's going to actually start to bond to the vehicle paint. You'll see it happening. It starts to get like a marbly look. It starts to look like it's drying out a little bit. See, it's happening right here in this section. Once it starts, we actually use the nice heavy-duty white plush towel here to buff that off. Again, staying away from the swirl marks, moving it around. Our stamina spray is good for 6 months, but it is also a buildable formula, meaning that the silicon dioxide will bond to itself. So go ahead and do this every 2 months, and you'll keep getting a stronger and stronger surface on your vehicle as it continues to build on itself.
So you can see how great our products are. Now, where to get them? If you go to autowashdirect.com, that's where you can find all of our products. But more importantly, that's also where you can sign up to be an advocate for Autowash. All of our products are available through advocates, not through stores, not through box retail stores, but it's going to be available through advocates. People who care about Autowash, who care about their cars, who love their cars, are going to be sharing our products. And what we've done is created a system that you can sign up to be an advocate. We ship products, you get paid. Every time someone buys a product because you recommended it, we're going to ship it and you're going to get paid.
Last year, the automotive industry made $1.6 billion. Are you ready to work with us to disrupt the market and get started with Autowash Direct today?
Hi, I'm Dennis Driesen, CEO of Autowash. 6 years ago, we started Autowash with one goal: to offer the very best in auto care services. We've partnered with industry leaders to develop the Autowash Direct car care line, working day and night to ensure we provide the best products on the market. This exciting new program gives you a head start on running your own business through Autowash Direct and tap into a billion-dollar industry.
Most of the automotive care products you'll find on store shelves are heavily diluted to save on cost, instead of being made to help you keep your ride as clean as possible. Those companies focus on the bottom line and not on customers. The Autowash Direct line has been engineered to be the best possible without cutting corners or diluting to deliver the best products to you.
Today, we're excited to invite you to join our exclusive Autowash Direct Advocate and Affiliate program. This is your opportunity to grab a piece of the pie. Not only do you have the opportunity to sell the products on your own, but our program allows you to build a team to increase your income.
Breaking into the automotive industry on your own is expensive and leaves you to fend for yourself. With Autowash Direct, we give you everything you need to build a business, including our 90-day Road to Success marketing program for as little as $99. Make commissions on sales and build an Autowash Direct drive team to expand your profits. Every time a customer or team member invests in Autowash Direct, your income keeps increasing. The only limit is you. It's like money on cruise control. Okay, you see the value and opportunity. You're excited and ready to jump in. What's next? Becoming an Autowash advocate or affiliate is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Sign up for Autowash Direct. 2. Use the products and experience the difference yourself. 3. Follow the Road to Success plan and build your dream.
Investing in the Autowash Direct opportunity is fun, fast, and has the potential to make all your dreams come true. Take the wheel, start your engines, and buckle up. Autowash Direct is going on one hell of a ride, and we want you to come with us.
All right, so what are you waiting for? You can see there's a great opportunity. If you love your car, you love taking care of your car, you might as well get paid for it. Go out to autowashdirect.com, grab some products, click the Join tab, become an advocate. You might as well get paid if you're going to share our wonderful products anyway, right? And so, next time we do this, we're going to be talking about a couple of our other products, Complete Clean, and a brand new product we're getting ready to release this Saturday at the Cars and Coffee in Northfield and here in Denver, Colorado. So I'm Dennis Driesen with Autowash. Because you love your car. We'll see you next time.